Hobbies with Harrison. Welcome back to Hobbies with Harrison. Today we're going to be doing Henry's and Hailey's toy reviews.
Henry and Hailey's toy review.
So here we are getting this out. Like it's really hard. Yeah, like for real.
Henry, before you show everybody, what do you think it'll look like?
I think it will look like black with a picture of the spider on it.
Oh, you are correct. Whoa, look at that. Tell me one thing that you like about this.
Well, it shoots something like spray paint out of it, and it's used in the web of venom. So let's unbox it and try it out.
Okay.
Hailey, what do you have?
I like New York. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite. What's your unicorn do?
About bubbles.
Show me.
Yeah, but my bubbles still.
Good job with the bubbles.
It's like really awesome. If you wait to see it, it's gonna be way better.
That's cool.
Let's try it out outside after it's unboxed.
That's a good idea. Is it going to be as cool as you are?
Yep.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Hey guys, we're unboxing it. We're about to try it out after
She's excited.
it gets unboxed.
On the package, it has
Instructions. We know they know instructions. That's what we do. Does that feel pretty good?
Uh-huh.
You want to be there and then go outside and try it again?
Okay. So we're about to test the web. Henry, squirt it.
Sorry guys, it got a little bit on me.
Yeah, get down at the ground.
Bro, guys, it's
What is that? It's like slime. Henry,
Shoot your bro.
aim practice.
Well, it's a little bit big for him. Yeah, like that. All right, clean your hands off. Yeah. All right, don't get our house, pretty please. Up, getting your sister. It works. Try to avoid the camera. All right. I've been webbed. There it is.
Actually, turned into a real web. I want
You want to see it, Hailey? Yeah, don't eat that.
bro, guys. Hey.
Oh, you got webbed.
Hey.
Turn your hand upside down, like that. It's the whole size of your arm, so this gets up. Tempting. Woo! Good job, hey. Good job. The pink Wolverine strikes again. All right, now, Hailey, that's good. Let Henry try again.
I got mad.
Come over here, Hailey. Show me your unicorn. There it goes. Here, let's see.
They're real web. They're really hate.
I have a feeling I have a lot of cleanup in front of me. It's out. We can switch it to water.
Oh, yeah.
Water. Push, lift, perfect. Looks out.
Is that water?
No, that's like the weird gooey mix. Straight up.
Straight up.
Yep. So all you do is you turn it and it comes up. You can go put water in there and then bring it back.
I love the web way better.
You like your webs? Show me your webs. Whoa!
Hey! Oh,
There you go, Spider-Man.
This is what a web looks like. If you got any one of these, you would have to get it. But because this is super fun for a family, a whole family. It's way funner with the whole family. But
I got a tiny one.
Nice, good webs.
Daddy, here though.
Oh, thanks, babes.
guys, that's not one.
Just what I always wanted.
Look, I'm gonna put the web on you. I'm gonna put the web on you guys.
Oh, on the camera, guys. Ooh, nice.
Hey.
All right, no, we're not gonna put it on the camera. Did you get it off? Oh, there it is.
Ooh, I need that back.
Reusable web. Nice. Let's see what Harrison's up to.
Oh, put it on me. Oh, it was on that. It's on that. Hey people, the web is on that. Dad, the web is on you.
Uh-oh. Don't, nah, outside. Get your brother. Okay, now, it's just water. It's no longer webs. Okay? You guys love your water. Faster than a gunslinger with a six-shooter. Ah. Don't get... good shooting there. Oh, you get hurt. It's a good thing you're tough. And your sister got wet. All right, Hailey, he's gonna tell us about his thoughts. Henry, what are your thoughts about the Spider-Man goblet? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
I really liked it the time when I was shooting people and swinging. Like, I really loved it.
Pink Wolverine.
It works.
Pink Wolverine, get him, Pink Wolverine.
Guys. So hey guys, we're now to see fighting a Pink Wolverine. Dragon monster.
And she's done.